If your Windows 10 laptop suddenly stops booting, shows a black screen, or keeps restarting, don't panic. Windows actually has a built-in recovery tool that can fix many startup problems automatically. Today I'll show you how to repair Windows 10 using automatic repair. This method can fix common issues like corrupted system files, boot errors, or failed updates. Let's start. First, turn on your HP laptop and immediately start pressing the F11 key repeatedly. This will open the system recovery menu where you can begin fixing startup problems. If you are using a Dell, Lenovo, or another laptop brand, the shortcut key might be different. So make sure to check our video called Laptop Recovery Shortcut Keys. In that video, we show which key you need to press repeatedly while the laptop is starting to open the system recovery menu for your specific laptop brand. Once you reach the system recovery menu, click on Troubleshoot. Next, select Advanced Options and then click Startup Repair. Now Windows will begin scanning your system automatically. During this process, Windows checks for problems with boot files, startup configuration, and system corruption. If any issues are found, Windows will try to repair them automatically. This process may take a few minutes, so just wait while the system completes the repair. Once the repair is finished, Windows will restart your computer automatically. If the problem was caused by startup errors or corrupted boot files, your computer should now start normally. If startup repair does not fix the issue, don't wait. You can still try other powerful tools available in the recovery menu, such as System Restore, Command Prompt, Reset this PC, and that's how you repair Windows 10 using automatic repair. This simple method can fix many startup problems. For more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides, follow us on this channel. We've got a tip for everything.